The next great event which will be discussed is found in chapter 27 and Naml, verse 36.
So when they came to Solomon, he said, "Do you provide me with wealth? But what Allah has given me is better than what He has given you. Rather, it is you who rejoice in your gift."
This is when a queen, who was invited to accept faith by the holy prophet Sulaiman, peace be upon him, sent him worldly gifts in order to test his character. Muslims should understand the importance of not compromising on their faith for the sake of worldly blessings. Whatever they gain from doing so will eventually become a burden and a curse for them in both worlds. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.
Instead, they should follow in the footsteps of the holy prophet Sulaiman, peace be upon him, by remaining firm on their faith and values. If they do this, they will be granted the same eternal success the holy prophet Sulaiman, peace be upon him, was granted. Chapter 16 and Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
In addition, a Muslim should understand that striving in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and the blessings associated with it will always be greater than any worldly blessing. In fact, this is what the holy prophet Sulaiman, peace be upon him, was referring to when he rejected the queen's gifts. Religious blessings are always flawless and lasting, whereas worldly blessings will always have some sort of difficulty attached to it, and they are also temporary in nature. Chapter 16 and Nahl, verse 96.
Whatever you have will end, but what Allah has is lasting.
When one strives in fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and faces destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, it will ensure they use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. In turn, Allah, the Exalted, then grants them something which the entire mankind, irrespective of their faith, strives night and day for, namely, contentment and peace of mind. This is the ultimate goal of all people, even if they have smaller aims and goals, such as traveling the world. It is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2373, that true richness does not lie with wealth but being content with life. It is why worldly rich people do not find true peace of mind, and why a poorer Muslim who strives in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, does. Chapter 13 Ar-Ra'd, verse 28.
Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah do hearts find peace.
There is nothing wrong with seeking lawful wealth while avoiding excessiveness, but Muslims should understand that Allah, the Exalted, did not place true peace of mind with wealth or other worldly things. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.